Problem 13. I have to calculate value of load resistance to get the maximum power from rest of the circuit, as well as I need to calculate value of maximum power at load. I am following maximum power transfer theorem. First, I need to open the load and I need to calculate open circuit voltage across these 2 points. So keeping rest part of the circuit as it is, this is the circuit to calculate open circuit voltage. Here, say the point, this is A, this is B. So VOC is VA minus VB. So this one. Now what is VA? VA is potential at this point with respect to this point. That is current flowing through this 2 ohm resistance multiplied by this 2 ohm. So what is the current flowing through this 2 ohm resistance? This is 5 ampere. So that 5 multiplied by 2, that is 10 volt, is value of VA. So say VA is 10 volt. What is VB? Similarly, VB is potential at this point with respect to this point. So VB is current flowing through this 5 ohm resistance. So what is current through this 5 ohm resistance? Current will flow because of this 24 volt and that will flow through this direction. So what is current? This 24 volt divided by full path resistance, that is 10 plus 5. So 24 volt divided by 10 plus 5, this current flowing through this 5 ohm resistance. So that current multiplied by this 5 ohm, ultimately I got VB. So value of VB is 8 volt and value of VA is 10 volt. So ultimately open circuit voltage VOC is equal to 2 volt. Now to calculate RTH, remove this load. Load has been removed and sources will be replaced by their internal resistances. So current source is open and voltage source is shorted. So ultimately this is resistive combination to get RTH. Here it is very easy to understand that this 10 and 5 are in parallel. Equivalent of these 2 is in series with this 2 ohm. So using that 10 and 5 parallel with series 2, I got 5.3 ohm is the value of RTH. Now putting the value in Thevenin equivalent circuit, VTH is 2 volt, RTH is 5.3 ohm. Load resistance should be equal to this RTH 5.3 ohm to get maximum power at load. Putting value of R and open circuit voltage in this formula, maximum power I got 188 milliwatt. Now checking whether my calculation is perfect or not. Say VTH 2 volt, RTH 5.3 ohm, load resistance same as RTH, that is 5.3 ohm in equivalent circuit, and in main circuit also I have used the load resistance as 5.3 ohm. Now if power at load in main circuit and power at load in equivalent circuit are same with the value 188 milliwatt, then it will be confirmed that my calculation whichever I have done, those are correct. Running the simulation. Say in equivalent circuit it is showing 189 milliwatt, very similar to 188 milliwatt, and here in main circuit it is showing 187 milliwatt. It is also almost equal to 188 milliwatt. So my calculation is perfect.